Lemongrass is another powerful herbs that you can use to grow out your hair. Apart from its health benefits, this plant has numerous benefits for hair. When used on the hair, this can help you grow out your hair in a way you don't expect. I'm going to break it down on how this lemongrass can help you with hair growth. This is an ancient remedy because it has been used by my grandmothers for their hair. They drink lemongrass as a tea, as a hair rinse, and also in their shampoos. They use lemongrass in so many ways to grow out their hair, and because of that, they had very healthy hair. The thing about plants and grasses that you see around is that they have special purposes, they have benefits. There are so many things you can use them for in health wise, cosmetics, and skincare. For health benefit, lemongrass offers various health benefits, including antioxidant, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory properties. This helps in digestion, reduce stress and anxiety, lower blood pressure, and potentially reduce the risk of certain cancer. It can also be used to manage digestive issues, release pain, reduce fever, and even potentially aid in weight management. But we are not here for the health benefit. Let's talk about the benefit of lemongrass to hair. Lemongrass, just like ginger and onions, increase blood circulation to the scalp, which nourishes the hair follicle and can promote faster and fuller hair. It contains antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties that can help eliminate dandruff, scalp irritation, and infections that can block hair growth. This is no ordinary grass. This is a miracle grass for hair growth and health benefits. A lot of people have this grass in their home, but they don't know what it is used for. Some people even cut it and throw it away. This grass right here is very beneficial to your health. There are a lot of things, even the one I failed to mention, that this grass also take care of. Do your research on this and start to utilize it. Because taking care of your hair is not only when a doctor prescribes drugs for you, it has to be with something natural. Do you know that it is also rich in vitamin A and vitamin C? Lemongrass can help strengthen hair from the root, reducing breakage and shedding. If your hair is shedding a lot, I advise you to take this lemongrass, put it in a pot, boil it, and then use it as a final rinse. After washing your hair, you can use it to rinse your hair. Do this consistently and your shedding will reduce drastically. Lemongrass has the ability to balance the scalp pH. It balances the sebum, which is the scalp oil, the oil that the scalp produces, and keep the scalp healthy and clean. Also, may I say that this plant has the most wonderful scent. Like, it has this lemon scent that covers everywhere. Once you cut it open like this, you start to perceive the scent. It smells more like lemon than lemon itself. Like, the smell will cover everywhere. You will love it. It is a natural deodorizer and a stress reliever, which is beneficial to hair because stress is known to be the main cause for hair loss. For me to be able to blend this without more stress, I had to cut it into pieces. You blending it while it is very long will be stressful because this grass is a bit strong. So you need to cut it to make the job a bit easier for you. If you don't have a blender, you can use a mortar to pound this. I think it comes out well when you pound it. But if you don't have a mortar and a pestle, I think the best thing you do is to boil it. Though it will not give you that green color, it's just gonna be like tea. But it still works. But I would prefer you blending it or pounding it. So the next thing we need to do is to wash it. It's very important that whenever you want to use a grass like this, you have to wash it to get rid of dirt or anything that might be tangled onto it. You don't need any foreign bodies into this, so you need to make sure it is properly washed before you go ahead and use it, especially when you're drinking it. And yes, you can also consume this. This is very, very beneficial when it is consumed. You can equally use the dry lemongrass for this because most people don't get the fresh ones. It's always dry because it is preserved for a long time. Whether you're using the fresh or the dry lemongrass. The process is the same. The only difference is that the dry one won't give you this green color. Let's go ahead and wash it, then we'll start to blend. I washed mine twice under a running water. Let's transfer it into the blender and start to blend. The reason I decided to use everything, even though it was much, is because I don't like using it when it is dried. If I have any need for this after today, I will go and get a fresh one. But if you don't have it at your disposal, you can dry it up and preserve it. I will add a little bit of water to this because I need a form of water to enable it blend. If your blender is capable of crushing it without water, then do not add any water. It is more concentrated where you don't have to add water at all. I need this to be concentrated. That's why I added only a little bit of water. Now let's go ahead and blend this into a paste. Do you know that there are many other uses of this grass? It can be used as seasoning. You can use it to cook food. You can use it for tea and beverages. You can be infused inside your tea. It can help relieve bloating, constipation, and indigestion. It reduces inflammation and pains. It fights off dandruff and fungi. It's known as a fever grass in some cultures. It is also known as a detoxifier. It flushes out toxins from the body. It also has a calming effect for people who have anxieties. Lemongrass tea is something you should try. It is also used in toners because of its antibacterial and skin tightening effect. It is also ideal for homemade deodorants because of its amazing scent. It is also infused into essential oils. Do you also know that lemongrass is an insect repellent? It repels mosquitoes and other bugs around the house. It's an amazing plant or grass to have around your home. Now that we are done blending it, this is the consistency we got, which is good enough. Let's go ahead and strain out the juice. Right now, the whole house is scenting very amazing. You can decide to keep this around the house just to improve the scent. It is very good and it works. This is concentrated because I didn't add a lot of water. This is what makes it different from the dry one. If you're using the dry one, the color won't be this green. So you expect something like light green. If you're not using this right away, make sure you store it into your refrigerator. And when you're ready to use it, make sure you shake it up before you use, because sometimes it settles under. You can't store this more than 3 days. 3 days is max because it tends to go bad or loses its potency. That is why you need to use it right away and make a fresh batch each time you need to use it. This is a DIY hack I came up with. After squeezing out the juice from the chaff, keep the chaff around, like keep it on your window somewhere airy. This will change the scent of your entire house. If not, just discard it because we have gotten what we needed. So we are done with the process. This is the juice, highly potent, highly concentrated, and this will grow out your hair. This has a way of making your hair feel clean. Like once you apply it to your scalp, even if your scalp was dirty, it has a way of giving you this soothing feeling like you just had a fresh wash. And if your scalp produces excess oil, like you intend to have more sebums on your scalp, this will take care of it. All you need to do is use a cotton pad to dap it, soak the cotton pad into this, and then dap it to your scalp every morning. This will leave your scalp feeling clean. I am not even kidding you. It's something I have been doing and it has been working for me. So I'll not tell you what doesn't work. Now, let me quickly show you how I use this on my hair. Herbs like this have been one of my saving grace when it comes to my hair because I use a lot of herbs in my hair, and this is one of it. This will leave your hair feeling clean. Each time it feels like my scalp is going through a lot, it's becoming itchy and dry, I just spray this on my hair and I get this cooling effect. My scalp becomes very relaxed and it feels like I just had a new wash. Also, if you are battling with dandruff, give this a try. It will help you reduce the dandruff. It might not kill the dandruff or get rid of it completely, but it's going to help you with a soothing scalp. You don't have to be itching every time. Each time I use this, I just felt like my hair becomes softer. I don't know if it's just in my head. I need someone else to try it, or if you have tried it, let me know if your hair actually got softer or it is just in my head. I would really like to hear from you. I would really love your feedback on this. So if you have used lemongrass on your hair, let's know your experience with it. If you have watched to those points, I really appreciate it if you subscribe. I noticed that a lot of people who watch my video don't subscribe. It really doesn't take you anything. Just click on the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel, please. Like and comment. I really appreciate that. Also share this video to anybody who you think it will benefit. Thank you for watching and see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.